think that hall's better than the other one.
How's she working today, mister?
It's working good.
Good.
Hot.
Nice.
Yeah. Everything's good.
What props are those?
I'm
Remember
not
what
really
pitch those
sure.
were? No.
I'm not sure.
I think I got a similar one on my mono that I'm pretty sure it's the same one.
Jeff had bought them for me.
Yeah. He might know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why we take care of it.
Holy cow. Beautiful work.
Thank you.
I've-
That little piece of shit aluminum bracket at the back took me 3 weeks to do to get it right.
I don't
Wow.
know if I'll end up with them for sure, but I got Larry's 2 scale boats.
Oh, do you?
Andrew gave them to me, but
Scared to touch it, Tony. It's too nice.
so I was looking for them. I went there 2 weeks ago to pick them up. Andrew was moving out, and he says, "Come and get those boats." Helen was there, so she knows I got them. And she said, "I want you to have them." So, like I said, I don't know if I'll end up with them.
From the first buoy to start finish line, 29 seconds.
So what is it, Tony?
16-second lap.
That's a J&G 27 rear exhaust.
And the hull is
Yeah, it's wood cake.
beautiful work.
2 years.
Look at the paint job. You do this yourself?
Yep.
Wow. You spray it, then wet sand and buff, or?
Yeah. Spray, wet sand, buff. Each of these is painted, like that's all painted, then clear. And then, but it didn't come out good. Not as good as I'd like it to be.
So you
I should have put more clear on it. You know, if you put tons of clear, it goes over that and then it's smooth.
Right.
I'd have to buff it again, sand it again, and then
Right.
repaint it. I just got sick of working on the thing.
Yeah, oh, it's mint. Look at the stand, too.
Yeah.
Even the
I
rope.
bought a decal cutter, so now that's what I bought it for.
Nice.
I like the Saturday.
Which one did you get?
All the ones that are on the stand I cut.
Yeah? What decal cutter did you get?
that?
What decal cutter did you get?
It's called Silhouette Cameo.
Yeah?
And I'm familiar. I used to be able. We had one at work, and I was able to cut.
don't
it. So
see
it
it
cuts
very
very
often
similar to that. Works great.
What'd that run you, if you don't mind me asking?
What's that?
What'd that run you, if you don't mind me
Like
asking?
$100.
That's it, eh?
The vinyl's expensive.
Yeah.
You know, you play with it, you make mistakes, you figure it out.
How big can you
resize
go?
Everything.
How big of a cut can you make?
It can cut 12 inches, I think 13 inches wide. It can cut indefinitely long.
Oh, so it just keeps feeding.
Yeah, if you
That's
buy a big
amazing.
roll, it'll just keep feeding.
That's amazing.
So you can cut decals up to a foot high.
Down at the
Like
races?
let's say you had a big name
Yeah.
for a trailer or something. Right?
Can you send me a link of what it's
Sure.
called on,
Yeah,
on
no
Messenger or whatever? Because I've been looking to, for the boats, you buy a sticker, it's like $20, and then,
Yeah. Well, even for the girls, like they can do
Yeah.
all kinds of craft stuff. That's
Yeah.
what they are. Is they're
yeah,
crafty type things.
right. That's amazing.
Get all the vinyl from Michaels, or
Right,
you can get it from automotive shops. too.
right.
Actually, you know what, Butch? Bring
You gonna
this
get
next
that thing
week,
wet
too, 'cause I'm
today?
on my rigger.
What's that?
You gonna get her wet today?
No.
No.
I didn't bring on my transmitter. Everybody was bugging me to see it, right?
Yeah,
I know
yeah.
I've been working on it for 2 years.
It's amazing. I'd be scared to use that one. That's like a shelf queen now.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.